Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to list your SaaS on Flippa. If you want to sell your online business, the first step is to estimate its value using the free tool on Flippa. It only takes a few minutes and asks for details like your website URL, monetization method, age of the site, time spent managing it, revenue, and traffic. The tool gives you a price range to help you understand what your business might be worth, but the final value depends on what a buyer is willing to pay. When creating a listing, make sure to use an attractive image to grab attention and write a detailed description explaining your business, how it makes money, and its growth potential. Buyers mainly focus on three things: financials, traffic, and a clear description. You should also provide proof of earnings with attachments like reports or dashboards. Connecting Google Analytics helps show traffic data and builds trust. Finally, choose a reasonable price. Many sellers use auctions to attract more buyers and increase interest in the business. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.